Celebrity Chef Mark
The
Kalick.
one, the only, Chef Mark.
Our buddy, Chef Mark Kalick.
We have celebrity chef Mark Kalick.
Busy day in Las Vegas. We're now in Samsung and checking out some of their innovations. And of course, whenever I think of Samsung, I think of the family hub. And I'm here with the product experts, Chris from Samsung. Thanks for joining me.
Let's go head over to laundry, and while we're on the theme of color, I can show you our new color champagne.
Crowded in here, lots of cool stuff.
We wanted to give a color that had those same kind of warm hues, something that you don't want to hide away, and we call this champagne. Laundry's no longer being hidden and tucked away in our basements and our closets. It's being brought to some more communal spaces, and it's a softer color compared to like maybe our black stainless that we still have. So it's definitely nothing against black stainless, and in fact it's my personal favorite. But you can notice it's a little bit more stark. This is a little more soft and more neutral.
Got a purple tone to it that I think would look very, very nice in a brightly lit laundry room, something that, like, you know, because the laundry room seems to be the room that we're seeing tons of people renovate and innovate.
Exactly.
Oftentimes people, it's the last room of their house.
They're putting laundry upstairs. They're putting it in master bedrooms. They're putting it right off of their kitchen with no doors covering it.
Yep.
And yeah, you mentioned the hue. You know, it's definitely called champagne. The lighting can change things a little bit. Maybe this in this lighting it's more of a rosé.
More rosé, more, yeah, but it's gorgeous.
Yeah, but this is our brand new front load laundry launch for this year. So we have some tech behind it as well. Some great features at a more attainable price point. Super speed gives you time back in your day. Steam wash, of course, and we have Bixby enabled. So some smart intelligence to help you do laundry.
And you can, the refrigerator will talk to the laundry and tell you how much time you have left in a cycle.
It's all working on the same
all
platform.
working on the same platform. Well, thank you so much for having us, for showing us the innovations. We love this, these innovations. We love connectivity. And thanks everyone for tuning in live from Las Vegas. It's Chef Mark.